Hello everybody, I'm here today with a very interesting chart school, and this is with a very interesting formation called the high tide flag. The high tide flag is sort of like pent-up demand, and if you can get these right, you can get the stocks to move up very fast, very quickly. I'm going to show you exactly how to spot a high tide flag. The high tide flag formation shows a very quick movement up, then a consolidation, and then another gap up. And here is a high tide flag that just appeared today on a stock that I was able to buy, called with the symbol EDIT. In this case, we're using weekly charts, so it's best to look at weekly charts to see exactly kind of how this works. The stock ran up significantly, but then pulled back and was in a consolidation. It then moved up, but it was below this very important pivot point. This is in the first week of the stock movement. In the second week of the stock movement, you could see it pulled very much above the pivot point. And then if you could see by this mark here, settled right above about $60 a share on extremely high volume. Now notice, the first week it's above average volume, and then on the second week there is a volume spike. By the third week, you can see this railroad tracks are forming, basically tight little motions in here. Again, we are well above the $40 buy point. We're above where it stopped at $60, but we're not moving up as fast as we were before. Notice that there is heavy volume, but that the volume has decreased from the original breakout here. In the fourth week, you can see we still have extremely high volume, as noted here, but we've popped out of this railroad tracks formation. And the key is, once you see this forming with this kind of volume, then there's likely to be a breakout to the upside. In this case, I was able to get in right at about where the railroad tracks were. So that's the ideal place to put your buy, stop, limit order. And then hopefully it'll break out and you'll break higher, and you'll break with higher profits. I hope this has been helpful.